In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate your emails with Monday.com. First, open the board where you want to set up the email integration. Next, click the Integrate button located at the top of the board. In the integration search bar, type Gmail or Outlook depending on the email provider you use. Select your preferred email integration from the available options. After that, browse the available automation recipes and choose the one that fits your workflow. For example, you can send an email when a status changes or create a new item when an email is received. Once you've selected a recipe, click Connect and sign in to your Gmail or Outlook account. Grant the required permissions to allow Monday.com to access your email account securely. After connecting your account, configure the automation settings. Choose the email address you want to send from or receive emails from. Set the subject line and customize the email content. You can also insert board data such as item names, statuses, dates, or client information to automatically personalize your emails. Review your settings and click Create Automation to activate the integration. From now on, Monday.com will automatically send or process emails based on the automation you've configured. That's it. You've successfully integrated your email with Monday.com. Thanks for watching.